Hey there! If you have been bothered by the notch or camera cutout on your Xiaomi device, don't sweat it. I've got a neat trick to help you out. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple hack to seamlessly hide that pesky cutout. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, grab your Xiaomi phone and fire up the Settings app. Next, scroll down a bit until you spot the Notifications and Control Center feature. Then, take another tiny scroll and tap on Status Bar. Right there, you'll find the Hide Notch feature waiting for you. Give it a tap. Now simply tap on Hide without shifting the status bar. And just like that, your cutout will vanish into thin air. For even better concealment, consider using a wallpaper with a black object or something dark near the top. Voila! That's how you bid adieu to the notch or camera cutout area on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and show that like button some love. Hungry for more tips and tricks related to Xiaomi phones? Don't forget to hit subscribe because I've got a bunch more headed your way. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.